We're going to clean an impeller. Keep the lid off. Oh, debris. There's a hole here. You stick your hand in. There's a wheel. You turn it with your fingers. And as you turn it, you feel in between each blade if there's any grass or debris. And if there is, you pull it out. Empty your basket. Make sure that this ring is clean. Any debris, seeds, grass, anything like that. You might actually have to take it out. Clean this ring of any debris or seeds or anything. You might have to take it out of the seating to actually clean it. The seal might actually have to be cleaned to make sure that and if that doesn't work, check your skimmer weir gate. This should start your pool right up. If you know it's running good, and you think there's some kind of clog, it's usually an impeller. There's some tools you can also use to clean this. You can use things like a screwdriver, metal, anything that will reach back in there. This works really well. A little gardening stake. I also have like a crocheting needle with a little hook on it that works really well too. If you have something with a hook or some bristles on the end so you can turn it, that works nice. But this, if you take it and you just stick it into the impeller hole, you know, just kind of jam it in there. You can feel if it's hard plastic, like the impeller, or you can feel if it's kind of squishy, like grass and stuff. Then you can kind of use this to wedge the stuff out. Use the water to kind of splash and create some kind of backflow in there, and then just try to get the stuff out. So that's one of the reasons why your pool might not be starting. It's a clogged impeller. Some tools you can also use. This thing rolling or what? This is your weir gate. Sometimes you get stuck up like that. You might have to check it to allow the water to flow through. That would be another reason why your pool's not sucking water. Keep an eye on that. If you're missing one, they make universal weir gates with a spring on them. When the pool turns off, all the debris will come back out. Unless you have that gate there, it will hold all of the debris into the pool once the pool turns off at night, so you don't wake up to a messy pool.